Oh, and it's Sylvie too. She's coming too.
She's coming too? Okay. Well, we probably should start though because we've limited time, right?
Yes, we're everybody's here. That's
Who knows what chemistry is? What's chemistry?
Chemistry is science with chemicals and other things.
Stuff. Chemicals. Yeah, it's basically the study of chemicals. Now, trick question. What is a chemical? Anybody know what a chemical is? What's a chemical?
Like something. It's like a chemical is.
You gotta keep thinking about that, and we'll see if these guys. Okay, go ahead.
Isn't a chemical something kind of like when you? It's kind of like. I don't know how to explain it.
You don't know how to explain it. That's fine. That's fine. What are you thinking?
Is it like an ingredient?
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Chemical is like some. It's like some things mixed together and it equals like an answer, sort of like a question. And like sodium and chlorine and other stuff are chemicals.
Right. Yes. Yep. Hey, really simple answer for what's a chemical. A chemical is anything that is one or more elements joined together.
Oh, there, that's what it was. Oh.
And so that means that basically anything that's made of matter is a chemical.
Oh.
You're a chemical?
Is water chemical?
Water is a chemical.
Oh, it's
H2O. Air is a chemical. You're a chemical. These are chemicals.
Of course.
So now,
This is
if anything that's made of matter is a chemical, what do you think when you see something in the store that says no chemicals? You ever seen boxes of food at the store that says no chemicals?
It means it doesn't. It's like a liquid. It's a liquid. It doesn't have. It's
Liquids
not
are
made out of
chemicals.
matter.
It's not made out of matter. So basically, anytime you see somebody advertising no chemicals, you should just laugh because everything made of matter is a chemical.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think? If everything that's made of matter is a chemical, what's something that would not be a chemical? What do you think?
I don't know.
What do you think?
A wrapper?
A wrapper is made out of matter. You can touch it and feel it, so that would be a chemical.
No, but nothing.
Nothing? Well, there are a few things that aren't physical that you can touch, like love,
Oh yeah.
Love.
Oh, emotions.
emotions, yeah. Gas that is in the air is actually also a chemical,
Yes.
because you can kind of
It's
touch
just
it, you
like
can do
sort
things
of
with it, but
Feelings with yourself.
feelings in
and
yourself
stuff.
are not chemicals, right? Pretty weird, huh? Thoughts and ideas are not chemicals, everything else is. So, the point of that is just laugh at people who tell you their food has no chemicals in it, because obviously it does. Now, since everything is made out of elements, we're going to talk a little bit about elements. And I have papers here for you all that have a periodic table. You do not have to memorize this, but this just lists all the elements.
That's good.
Okay, and I'll pass these out. If you want to, there's actually 2 pages to each one. If you want to pass them out, so there's 2 pages, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you want to pass them out so everybody gets both pages, there's probably going to be lots of extras. Now,
Here.
elements are made up of.
Okay, so you pass out
Yeah.
these papers.
Okay.
So
We're passing out.
pass out these papers.
We'll talk about elements a little bit because chemistry is
I'll pass out these papers.
elements and how they react with each other. So, every element has 3 pieces to it. It has a proton, a neutron, and an electron. And the way they go together is the protons and the neutrons go in the middle. And then floating around the outside,
I'll let Ember have this one. I'm okay. I already have this.
my very stale electrons.
Oh, I don't have any papers. Okay,
Nice. Great.
You got all done your papers? Okay. So this is your first one on there, the H, it's hydrogen. Hydrogen, and it's on there first because it has 1 proton and 1 neutron and 1 electron floating around. Okay? And then the next one on there, over here, that has the number 2 is helium. You guys know what helium is, right?
Yes, this stuff we put.
Helium is the stuff for balloons because it's really, really light that makes it float. And it has 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons floating around it. Okay, and then we have lithium, and this is why I'm not going to do all of these, because if you look all the way down to there, you know, you've got that one at the bottom that's got 118. So I'd have to try to put 118 electrons on. That won't work very well. So we're just doing this first row. It's pretty easy. Now, each time you switch rows on these, you go down a row, what you want to know is that it starts a new ring. It doesn't try and fit all of these guys on in the same space. So this one, lithium, will still have the 2 on the inside ring, but it starts a ring further out. So I'm just going to do the further out ring. So it still has the 2 that are inside, but there's not really room to do them all. So we're just going to put the further out ring. So it's got 2 inside invisible ones and 3. All right? But everyone, oops, that's supposed to go all the way through. All of them after these first 2 that only have room for 2 have room on the next outside ring. They have room for 8. They always have room in the outside ring for 8 electrons. Okay? So this guy's got 2 electrons. He's also got room for 6 more electrons. So they're just kind of empty spaces waiting to be filled with electrons. That's going to be important in a minute. So we'll put his empty spaces on. So he has 2 electrons on there plus 6 empty spaces. Okay, does anybody want to add some electrons to some of these?
Sure.
Okay, I have lots of volunteers for electrons. Okay, so you're going to put 4 toothpicks through each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if everybody wants to do one, we can mix more chemicals, that's just fine. We'll do nitrogen. You want to do oxygen for me? Okay, we get there some chlorine. Go ahead and put all 4 sticks through, and then we'll figure out how many electrons you need to put on and how many you're going to leave empty. Neon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anybody want to do my sodium and my chloride?
I'll do one.
Oh, she hasn't got one yet.
And
You want to do one?
Dylan, do you want to do one?
Okay, so when you get all 4 through, tell me which one you've got, and I will hand you the number of electrons you need. Okay, that's only 3. Okay, you have.
Okay, I
Excellent.
think I have.
Boron.
Yeah.
Okay. He needs 3.
I think I
You
have.
have carbon. Yep, you need 4.
There you go.
Okay, do you want to put the electrons on?
You have.
You need, oh, there's going to be one more. You need 4. You have sodium, so you actually only need 1.
I got
You've got oxygen. So if you want to try and figure out how many you need, look at the number in the top corner and subtract 2 from it. Neon is 7, so you're going to need 5. Because remember, the 2 are in the bottom that we don't see.
I think I need 7.
What have you got?
Fluorine.
Fluorine?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I
7,
have.
2, 4, 6, 7. Perfect.
I have oxygen.
6. 2, 4, 6.
I don't know how much I did.
You've got neon. That's a 10, so if you subtract 2 from that, that's 8.
What the?
So that one has all 8 filled. 6, 7, 8.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Perfect. Okay.
It's like I want to eat these right
You want to eat these right after?
Yeah, but one
Okay.
of them's got
You've got
coloring on it.
they've all got coloring, but it's fine. These are food markers, so you can eat them. I specifically got
So
food
we can
markers.
eat them?
No, you can eat these. Okay, fluorine has 7. So 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, has everybody got your electrons on there?
Almost.
Almost? Okay.
I almost got all my marshmallows. I just have one. You're left.
One left? Okay. So you got your electrons floating around. Now the reason why it's important to know why we're putting electrons around.
neon.
You got neon. Neon's pretty cool. I'll tell you about that in a moment. The reason it's important to know how many electrons you've got and how many you can have is because that's how elements combine with each other.
Like this?
Like somebody mentioned the water is H2O. That's you, you're smart. Water is H2O.
Ow. Can I do that? Ow.
So that means you've got 2 hydrogens and one oxygen. Okay.